you see my whole body? I honestly don't know. Subscribe. Today we're going to declutter my closet. So we're gonna go ahead and go through my closet and get rid of some stuff that I know definitely just needs to be gone. I do this quite often, but sometimes I find that I still have stuff. I was gonna just dump everything on my bed, but I think it would just be easier and better if I just went through things piece by piece. So I brought you guys in a little bit closer for a VIP access of my closet. I'm just gonna go ahead and first take these two gym bags off from here, and it already looks so much better. I'll put them up there when I have a chair because I am 5'1". So this is just a plain black t-shirt. We're keeping this. We're keeping the white t-shirt. We're keeping the gray t-shirt, and we are keeping the navy t-shirt. Now, and I think all of these are gonna go. I'm a very plain person. Even though this shirt, this is just like a plain black and white striped shirt. Oh, it actually looks really cute with my pants. But we're gonna get rid of this because I bought it and I haven't worn it since I bought it. So this is getting donated. Make way for new clothes. I got this from Target along with all my other t-shirts. I'm getting rid of this. I try and branch out and get like colors, and it just never works. I like never wear them. It's really just taking up space where another plain black t-shirt. Again, with the branching out with color, even though I thought I looked really cute in this yellow t-shirt, I'm not into the V-necks anymore. My chest will not allow it. Actually got this from Charlotte Russe like 3 years ago. I was wearing it a lot at the time, but I think the stripes like throw me off a bit. It's just a black button down. I'm keeping this. This is what I like to wear for weddings. So this is being kept. Gosh, I don't know where to turn, what to do. Okay, so I pushed it back a little bit. You still have VIP access, but hopefully you could see the shirts and stuff a little bit better. So this is just a black and white polka dotted shirt, or a black shirt, white polka dots. I like this because it's a little bit more dressy, and I don't really do a lot of dressy things, but it's nice to just have something where I can like wear it with jeans or like nice pants and look somewhat presentable. Just an Abercrombie long sleeve shirt with a little logo. Middle school and high school me would be like, how dare you be wearing Abercrombie? But here we are, and I'm keeping it because it's my favorite shirt. Next shirt we have is this t-shirt from Abercrombie. I don't like this shirt. It's not even the color that I don't like, because it's like a, you know, it's a neutral color. It's one of those tie t-shirts, and I don't know if it's because like my chest is a little large or what, but it just makes me look so boxy and weird. I could probably size up to like a little bit larger of a shirt. This is a medium. I could have probably sized up to a large, but like, I don't know. I'm not like wild about it, so she's gone. I have this button-down shirt I got from Target. I really like this. I love wearing it with leggings. This is another long-sleeved sweater type situation from Abercrombie. I'm gonna get rid of this. I got this last year, and it's actually really big for me now, since I've lost weight since last year, and I honestly haven't reached for it like once this like fall winter season, this fall winter fashion season. Another sweater from Abercrombie. I really like their sweaters. They're really nice. I'm gonna keep this. I did get this last year. It is again a little big for me, but this one I reach for a little bit more than that gray one. What do you know? Another Abercrombie shirt. This is, oh, I love this. I got this year. It is so cozy. It looks great with jeans. It looks great with leggings. I love this. It is so fabulous. Next is this flannel that I got a few years ago. Actually, how long have I had this? I've had this for at least, oh my gosh, I think I've had this for like 8 years. I got this at Goodwill like so long ago, and honestly, it's so hard for me to find good flannels. Even though I don't reach for it as much, it is so nice. Like, look. Like, it's very big on me now, but I love it. I love it. It's thin. It's got buttons. 10 out of 10. We're keeping it. But what I was thinking with branching out to this color, but I only wore this once, and I am donating it. I wear this more when I'm like running errands and like just doing stuff, or like kind of like lounging around the house, where I'm like, should probably put something on other than the PJs that I've worn for the last 3 days. This is another cropped hoodie situation. It's really thin. I really like it. I actually got this from a thrift store not that long ago. I think probably a few months ago, at least in the summer. So I really like this, and I'm keeping this as well. On the top. So this is another flannel. I got this from Forever 21, I think like 2 or 3 years ago. I really like it. Again, it's really thin, so I can wear it in the spring, I can wear it in the fall, and I like that it has like a gray hood on it. I got this on sale at Target for like $10, and you can see it's like a Mean Girls Christmas themed shirt. I'm gonna keep this, but I am gonna put it in a bin with like my other Christmas sweaters, which I should just get rid of those Christmas sweaters because they are way too big for me now. But I'm going to definitely keep that, but it's just going to, Christmas is over, unfortunately. This is a color I will wear. This specific button-down color and button-down I will wear. Again, it's Universal Threads from Target. Really like this thermal type thing. This is big on me, but I love it. I love that it's really oversized. Looks fabulous with jeans, looks fabulous with leggings. This is from Aerie, and I'm actually really bummed. I got this as a Christmas gift, and I went to Aerie after Christmas to try and get more of these, but they don't have them anymore. They don't have them online. It's so sad. Fuzzy Sherpa from Aerie. So soft, so comfortable. Our jumpsuits. This one I got from Abercrombie, and it is so amazing. It's so soft. I didn't think I was gonna look good in it because I am so short, and I thought I was gonna look weird, but their jumpsuits, man, they're nice. And I got this in the summertime. The only reason I still have it out, usually I kind of try and transition some of my summer clothes that I know, like t-shirts I'll keep obviously, because t-shirts you can wear all year round, but something like this I'm not really gonna wear right now. But I kept this because I just want to like hang it up so it's not like, so it doesn't get all like wrinkly and whatever, but 10 out of 10 would recommend. Still have the tag on it because I got it for a specific thing that I wasn't able to attend, unfortunately, but I did keep it because I do really like it, and I do just need to get it hemmed. This fabulous blazer from Lulu's. This is amazing. I bought this because I just like wanted to have something nicer just in case like I need to go on like job interviews, or I even wear it actually with this like mock turtleneck, and then with jeans it looks like so nice. It's just, it could be casual. Like if you want to just like look a little bit more dressed up, it's just so fabulous. I actually want to get this in black and navy, I think. I think it's always good just to have like maybe like a blazer or two, because you never know. Even someone like me who's a very basic and like jeans and t-shirt type of person, it's good just to have like a little like blazer. This hoodie from Abercrombie, this was in the men's section, and I love the colors. I love like the muted flowers, but I was a little cocky and I got an extra small, and it's a little tight. It's a little tight on the chest area. See if like my cousin wants it, because it is really nice, and I've only worn it like 1 or 2 times. And me being the foolish person I am, when I got it, I ripped the tags off and I just put it on. I need to stop doing that, but it is a little tight on the chest area, so a little bummed about that. Things I'm keeping, these are activewear pieces. My like hoodies and like crop type of things for my activewear I keep hanging up. My drawers have like my leggings and like my sports bras and my tops in there. I don't need to go through those because a lot of that stuff is recently purchased and I do wear it all the time, but so these I'm keeping. I'm just gonna kind of move these to the back. And we have this fabulous denim jacket, which I love this. I got this from Target last year. It is from Wild Fable, and it has a lot of holes and distressing in it, and like my husband's one of those people who's like, did you just buy something with holes in it? And I'm like, yes, I did. Sweater from Abercrombie, which I am definitely keeping. This is great when I'd be working in the office when you get a little like chilly. Again, it looks fabulous with this mocked turtleneck, but yep, keeping this, 10 out of 10. I got this from Zoomies, I think only a few months ago, and I just like, I love roses on it. I just love it so much. So obviously I'm keeping it because it is a recent purchase and I wear it all the time. At this point now, like just like a closet tour. Ready for this? It is a Juicy Couture. You heard that right. A Juicy Couture tracksuit jacket with the Juicy on the back and then the J on the front. Last article of clothing we have in my closet is this just black zip up that I wear when I go into the gym or if I go for a walk. So keeping it. I have these bins over here, but these are just leggings, and I'm not gonna go through them because I actually recently just went through them and got rid of a bunch of ones that don't fit me anymore, and same with like my jeans, I recently just got rid of it, so that I'm going to just kind of like keep as is. I think I'll do another video because I don't want this video to be like an hour long of me just judging all my clothes, of me going through my like drawers and stuff. I don't really have a lot of clothes in like my drawers. I really have like my pajamas and then like a few t-shirts and stuff like that. But if you guys want to see that, if you're interested, obviously like the video and let me know in the comments below and I will definitely do that. Oh, one last thing that I need to get rid of that's been in this closet that I bought for an outfit and then I was like, no, is this hat. Guys, so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, if you could do so, that'd be great. And if there's any other videos that you'd like to see, just let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I don't know me.